This is the Bürstner Elegance i910G. It's a very attractive vehicle. Now, I've been filming motorhomes for some time, and I can see the evolution of not only some brands but also some models. And the vehicle which has impressed me the most with this evolution is this one here, the 910G. Now, it always was top of the range for Bürstner. It costs 220,000 plus euros, and but it's extremely luxurious. And anyway, you can write down your opinions, what you actually think of it. So in this case here, we've got this German type layout. We've got storage under it as well, and also drawers on the other side. You can see we've got storage at the back and all the way round. Big window there, and notice they still managed to put storage above it, and that's something I'm always rabbiting on about in space. In motorhome, space is it's a premium, it's a compromise. But when companies don't make the compromise they could make, or don't give this, I don't like it. So I believe here that what they've done, put the big window in, that's great, and they put the storage above it, that's also great. And of course, deep storage here at the back. From here we've got we can control the lights if we want to, and it's a bright day, we can't really see what's going on. And here we've also got this little cubby hole, and this cubby hole comes with an electric point on one side and USBs. You can charge your phone up in there, but here's a little point, but you don't see the phone. So these warnings about blue light and all the rest of it, you'll probably hear it through there, but you can't see it. I think that's a great little invention. Of course, you could just stick your pajamas on top of it or something, and then you wouldn't see the phone either. Over there we have space for the television, and this space here, that is our dressing room. And now I'm quite keen on the idea of dressing rooms in motorhomes. We can close this by moving this around there. You can see a little catch up there. That'll come across like that, and then that comes across there. In fact, it comes across in two parts like that. That was easy, wasn't it? What about this side? Put that across there like that, and now we can, there's the shower. Look how big it is as well. Look how wide it is, how much space there is inside that shower. And there's the toilet. Nice big mirror inside here. And it's also heated in there, for those who think of spending more time in it. And down here, because I did say it was a dressing room, we've got to have somewhere to dress from. And there's your wardrobe. There is the glycol for the all-day heating system. And here, there you go, some more space there as well. Coming here, what have we got? That is large kitchen with molded sink, drainage there. 3 burners. We've got a grill. Don't think I can really, maybe I can call that an oven. I haven't got a definition of oven and grill yet, haven't worked it out, but I think no, you could get a chicken in there, so that makes it an oven. Is that a fair definition? I'll have to think about it. The vehicle's new, so it's got lots of stuff you expect in a new vehicle coming with it. That black bag down there has the instructions in it, and it's quite a thick book, books I should say. There's several of them. As you can see, there's lots and lots of information when you buy a vehicle, and in my case it's over 500 pages, and I do appreciate that not everybody may read it all. Now this one here comes with, we've got this aircon system from Tele up there. We've got more space there. We've got a freezer. We've got a fridge. Both of these doors open both ways. And down here we've got this large face-to-face lounge with an enormous table. Gives you an idea of the size of the table. Now here there are 4 belted positions, because under this chair here we will find an extra forward facing chair for when the vehicle is in motion, and we'll also find one here as well. So we've got hidden chairs in the vehicle. Now look at the flat floor all the way back to the bedroom. Let's open the bedroom up again. And this is the very deep double floor which is down here. So we've got the technical stuff down here, such as we've got the tanks, we've got part of the electricity, we've got the boiler, and parts of empty as well, which is great for keeping stuff inside. Not only that, but we can also access some of this storage from the outside. I have a double floor. I had my first winter in a double floor last year, and it makes a huge difference. Particularly I'm going to put the carpet down as well this year. That'll make it much better. There you go. There's the Aldi boiler, compact 3030. Now you've seen the batteries which were down here, and the batteries you can effectively extend them to just about any amount that you want. Well, I mean within reason, but I mean obviously get lithium ferrous phosphate batteries, LifePo 4, and they will make a huge difference. These batteries have completely changed my van life experience. Completely changed. Additional USBs there. You charge your phones here. Lights there. Door note comes with built-in mosquito net. We've got a big bin in it. We've got these extra places here, store the dog's lead or something like that there. Very bright vehicle, and we have a extra sleeping over the cockpit, over the driver and passenger seats. Mercedes Sprinter. We've got a door here at this side. This side we've got a rather low sideboard, and it's got storage what's in it down there. Obviously this is an integrated van. The screens for the windscreen, you can see also here we've got a blackout screen for the side windows as well. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at another one. I'm going to show you a different style completely. Now that one had the German layout in. We've got this one here as well, which has got a different bed layout in it. Obviously, choice of furnishings, choice of outdoor colours, and here you see we've got this brown colour. It's not so light inside. Obviously people get what they want, and if you buy from new, if you buy second hand, as I often tell people to do, then you get what's available. So from here you see, other than the style, it is the same. But as I come back, it's different. We've got the queen bed here, access from either side. We've got a headboard at the back, storage above, and we've got wardrobes at either side. Large windows, but this time we don't have the storage all the way round. But as you can see, we do have these the blinds. Oops, I'll take it the other way. See, storage here as well. Same screen for the dressing area, and here more storage. We're looking at a similar price. You know, when people talk about price, it's very, very difficult to say one way or the other, because with these vehicles it depends on the equipment levels. And this is it. People ask me, how much does it cost? And well, I don't know. I mean, you've got to say what you want to be able to say what the price actually is. This is really important. So I'll show you also the garage. So it's got a tag axle, as you can see, and then here's the garage. I've just locked it. The garage will take 350 kilos of weight, stacks of space in here, and this vehicle comes equipped with this, which is called the Indus system. It's a system devised by Thetford for recycling water in the vehicle. Now, I've done longer videos on the Indus system. The Bürstner Elegance i910 was I think was actually the first vehicle to actually have it, but if it wasn't, then it was one of the first to actually use it. So now there's a lot more information below on the vehicles. These vehicles are now available for purchase, and so there'll be links where you can actually see them and get more information should you be interested. So it gives you an idea of them from the outside. Silver one or a white one. Storage down here as well, but that's part of the through storage which I demonstrated from inside earlier. So there you go, there is the Bürstner Elegance. Thanks very much for watching. You can see previous videos I've done on it as well, which might be interesting. For the moment, all the best from me in Heilbronn, Germany.